Welcome to XFlow Tutorials. What if your back-in-stock emails look this good, with your logo, your colors, and a buy button that goes straight to checkout? And you built it within minutes, no coding needed? That's exactly what we're doing today. In this video, we'll show you how to design a professional email in XFlow, from choosing a starting point all the way to sending a test. Let's get into it. From the XFlow dashboard, go to the Email Templates section. Here you have two options: start from a pre-built template, or build from a blank canvas. We'd strongly recommend starting with a pre-built template. They're ready-made, professionally designed, and fully customizable. Browse the library, switch between desktop and mobile preview to see how each one looks. Then hit select when you find one you like. Click Edit Content, and we're inside the editor. The structure is already built for us. All we need to do is make it ours. Quick tour before we dive in. The center is our live email preview. The side panel shows settings for whatever block we've selected. And in the top toolbar, undo/redo, send test, edit configs, and save and activate. We'll use these by the end of the video. Let's start with the body settings. This controls the overall look of our email. We can set the background color, adjust the content width for desktop, and control the padding around our content. We always recommend setting your brand colors here first, before touching any of the blocks. That way, everything stays consistent as we build. Now let's go through each block. Starting at the top, the header. This is where our brand identity lives. We'll upload the store logo. You can also include the store name, and choose the layout, logo on the left, right, or centered. We can also adjust the font, size, and background color to match our brand. Next, the title text. Our template says back in stock with the product name below it. Click that product name text block, and instead of typing it manually, we'll insert a personalization variable, the product title. Now whatever product just came back in stock will automatically appear here, every time. For the product image, we'll add a new section with a product block. This automatically pulls in the image of whichever product triggered the email. We can toggle on just the image, and turn off any details we're already showing separately. Below the image, we have a text block for the product description. Same idea, instead of writing it manually, we connect it to the product description from Shopify. The right copy for the right product, automatically. For the Shop Now button, click it to customize the label, color, and shape. This button adds the product to cart and links the customer straight to checkout. Feel free to add more sections below to encourage a purchase, a discount code, a promotion, whatever fits the brand. Finally, we add our social icons, store address, and unsubscribe link in the footer. We are done with the customization. Let's click Edit Configs in the toolbar. Here we set the subject line, preview text, sender name, and reply to address. Keep the subject line short and punchy, something like "Your item is back, grab it before it sells out again" works really well. Before activating, always send a test email. Click Send Test and hit Send. The test email will be sent to your contact email. Check it on mobile too, most customers open emails on their phone. If we want to reuse this email design for future campaigns, we can save it as a template. That way, all our work is saved and ready to go next time, without starting over. When we're happy with everything, click Save and Activate. The template is now live and ready to use in workflows and campaigns. And that's it. We now have a fully branded, professional email template ready to go. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, it really helps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.